back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you why does your iPhone's battery die so fast and how to fix it. I'm going to tell you exactly why your iPhone battery drains so quickly and exactly how to fix it. I'll explain how you can get longer battery life out of your iPhone without sacrificing functionality. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is push mail. To fix this problem, we are going to change your iPhone from push to fetch. You will save a lot of battery life by telling your iPhone to check for new mail every 15 minutes instead of all the time. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to mail option. Tap on it. Next, tap on accounts. Then choose fetch new data option. Then turn off push at the top. Scroll down to the bottom and choose every 15 minutes under fetch. And tap on each individual email account and if possible change it to fetch. And you are done. And the next step is turn off unnecessary location services. Location services are part of what makes the iPhone such a great device. I'd like to be clear, I don't recommend that you turn off location services entirely. For this, go to settings. Scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Next, choose location services at the top. Tap share my location. If you want to be able to share your location with your family and friends in the messages apps, then leave this on, but be careful if someone wanted to track you. This is how they do it. Otherwise, turn it off. Next, go back. Scroll all the way to the bottom and choose system services. Let's clear up a common misconception right away. Most of these settings are all about sending data to email for marketing and research. When we turn them off, your iPhone will continue to function just as it always has. So turn it off. Turn off everything on the page except emergency SOS, Find My iPhone and mobile calibration and distance. And you are done. And the next step is close out your apps. Once every day or two, it's a good idea to close out your apps. Swipe up from the bottom to the center of the screen. The app switcher allows you to see all the apps data stored in the memory of your iPhone. To browse through the list, swipe left or with your finger. I bet you'll be surprised by how many apps are open. To close an app, use your fingers to swipe up on the app and push it off to the top of the screen. Now you have really closed the app and it can't drain your battery in the background. And the next step is notifications. Only use the ones you need. For this, go to settings. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of notifications. Tap on it. Next, scroll down. You can see different apps here. Underneath the name of each app, you will see either off or the kind of notification that app is allowed to send you, badges, sounds or banners. Ignore the apps that say off and take a look through the list and you are done. And the next step is turn off the widgets you don't use. Swipe from the left to right until you get to the widgets. Tap the circular edit button. Then tap on the minus icon on your widget and then choose remove. Delete all the unnecessary widgets and you are done. And the next step is turn off your iPhone once a week. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and then press the power button. Next, slide to power off and then wait for some time. Then press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is background app refresh. For this, go to settings, scroll down, go to general option, then choose background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh at the top and then choose off option from here and you are done. And the next step is make sure auto log is turned on. For this, open settings, scroll down and then choose display and brightness. Scroll down and then tap on auto lock option. Then select any option other than never and you are done. And the next step is turn on dark mode. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to display and brightness and then choose dark mode and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone battery dies so fast, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.